Hi everyone, today we're tractor repair shop. Press play. See that, kids? What happened with the tractor?
Oh no.
It crashed into another truck. See that, kids? Here's a little tractor repair shop.
What's first?
This is a kind of a little welder right there after it.
Do you have to open up the hood first, maybe?
Look.
You just had to clean it off a little bit first.
Have to clean it off for a little bit. Look, see those little cracks on the hood?
Oh yeah. And that's gonna fix those? Oh wow. That looks good. Any more cracks? Cool. Pump up the tires.
That's just for one tire.
Mm.
This is for the engine. This is a checker that measures how many oil is in the engine.
Mm.
When it gets all the way to this track, that means enough. See that? It says enough.
Oh good.
Then it says next, and then it's all good.
You did it. Now what? Is there more tractors to fix or?
That's the only tractor that we could fix.
Oh okay.